thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use detail spray. This spray acts as lubricant onto the paint, so when I rub the clay on it, it glides smoothly, doesn't catch. And the next thing is a clay bar. All right, now I recommend not using the full clay, but just breaking these pieces into like this. I got 2 pieces in here. I'm gonna cut those in half because I want to make sure if I accidentally drop the clay onto the ground, it is no good. You discard that. You don't use it. You want to make sure that you can. You don't want to pick up, because the clay is going to attract all the dirt, and you don't want to have that inside and scratch your car. And this is all I need. I tore off this clay right there, so I'm going to spray, lubricate. And how you do it, you just say, for example, I'm just going to spray this panel. I've already washed the car and dried the car. And at this point, and the car's clean, the clay is just going to remove anything, any waxes, anything that's been on the car that I can't see, anything that's hidden on top of the clear coat. It pulls everything out of the clear coat. And then you go into a crosshatch pattern. So cross this way. I'm not pressing hard. It's very light application. That's it. Show on the camera what I'm looking at. So when it turns rainbow, it starts to flash, and you're not really buffing it off, but you're leveling it, which means that I'm just smoothing out the high spots until it levels in, and I can continue. And see the UV light, the benefit is, I ceramic coated this bumper. It looks good, you can't really tell, but I shine the light, it looks good. Except right there, I missed that corner. I don't know if you can see that. But right there, I missed that spot. So just helps make sure you got everything secured and you don't miss any spots. And so I think it's beneficial. This is a really forgiving kit. Like I said, I recommend, I don't want to do a full write-up on how to do it because I'm learning it myself. But if you guys want to try it yourself, I think it's beneficial.